Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this absolutely beautiful 5-bedroom detached property. It's around 12 years old, located on Roseway Avenue in Cadishead, and was also used as the show home for the Red Road development. So as you can see, it's just as you enter into this lovely development. You've got off-road parking there to the front for multiple cars, along with a small artificial lawn. And then as we navigate our way through this beautiful home, you've got 5 bedrooms, an open plan kitchen, diner, a lounge and dining space, 2 ensuite bathrooms, a guest WC, along with the family bathroom to the first floor. So we've just come through the entrance hallway. We are now positioned in this beautiful family dining and lounge area, with the addition of the conservatory to the rear. That then beautifully flows out onto this lovely landscaped rear garden. Lovely and private out the back, so you've got again an artificial lawn, beautiful Indian stone, gated access back to the front of the house, and further storage along the other side. Heading into the kitchen, complete with integrated appliances. Got that lovely 6-ring gas range cooker, granite work surfaces, boiler positioned just at the top. As you can see, quality throughout of this property. And then just across the hallway used to be the garage, which has now been converted into the 5th bedroom. So in total you've got 4 double bedrooms and a really generous single, which is currently used as the study. All of this excellent fitted storage, and then this bedroom does come complete with an ensuite bathroom, and as you can see, a real generous shower. Lovely and private once again to the front. Storage just tucked away beneath the stairs, and then on through to the guest WC. And then as we head up to the first floor, as I mentioned, now you will find the remainder of the 4 bedrooms, 3 of which of these are doubles. Master once again complete with an ensuite bathroom. Nice spacious landing. And we'll do it in order of size. So the master positioned to the front of the property. Once again, fitted wardrobes in here, well, in all of the double bedrooms actually. And then just behind me is the ensuite shower. Again, a continuation of the floor plan downstairs, so a lovely generous sized shower up here. Your second double, again located at the front of the property, and your fitted wardrobes just tucked away. And now into bedroom 3. As you can see, a really generous double. Now location wise, as I mentioned, we are on the desirable Roseway development, which is fabulously located in regards to your local amenities. Really easy access with the fabulous transport links surrounding yourself here. Shops, schools, and fabulous transport links. Storage once again directly ahead of me, and now into this timeless white 3-piece bathroom suite, complete with your shower sat above the tub there. So we do have here an incredible family home, offering 5 bedrooms, that open plan living space with the lounge and diner. Now obviously the 5th bedroom to the ground floor is a very versatile space, and you can then come in and change it to your current needs should you not need that 5th bedroom. It's a beautiful family home located on a beautiful, highly sought after development. It's coming to the market now. So if you are interested in coming along and taking a viewing, then do please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.